Jeffery the World Cup, FIFA World Cup, of course, was Australia and New Zealand.
A man,
yes, a man, and Nigeria, they've done a fantastic job. I look, the Nigerians, Canada, I mean, they are the defending Olympic champions and double bronze medalists of Olympics. We have on the powerhouses. Now, this particular game, Nigeria, a bad game where they had issues with bonuses with lack of proper training, coaching, so psychologically, now it was difficult for them. But the game was top class. Remember penalty? I must say, the Nigerian one who decided somewhere was to make sure, say, first 30 minutes, conceded possession at the Canada. Of course, Canadian team is a very attacking team. Very. Okay, attacking team or Mabo USA first. Obey Germany. You come to Canada, then Japan. Because unlike Sweden, we are very defensive, physical and aggressive side. And the Nigerians tactically did what was right, making sure, say, you better hold you more and use the counter attack.
Okay.
And then I must say, Bruni, our left back, Ashley Plumtree. Yes, or Nigeria near one war. England. And the say, or Kokopa Chomunina, no bomb left back. It was solid. But look, the Nigerians have proven one thing, that Seba Mabo do stage where Omunim tournament ball. And then they showed quality, they match up the Canadians.
Because the reaction from fans, that's not Nigeria show Canada for.
Yes, so what they normally do is that almost as your first team, the Canadian dominated. And they dominated because Demny Rose on the right and Adriana Lee on the left, they were so quick on the flanks, very. But the work that Deborah, Ajibola Biodun, and Christie, Uchebe, they did a fantastic job on them. They were very quick. They closed them down very well. I mean, passes, channel, passy, ball, almost making sure, almost close, almost space to operate. Even though almost committed a lot of maintenance, almost one shot on target. And that shot, because of a former Onomuru left winger cutting infield, goalkeeper Kelly Sheridan, if a double save because that was a fantastic cut infield, and then the shot more day. But game air course the Canadians clearly our intention was, look, let's get a first goal and unsettle them. And so Christian Sinclair a beautiful chance in the early stage. That was around 19 minutes of the game. 13 minutes, but it was defended by Osinechi Charlie. But then the 19-minute pass was solid. The pass came from Joyce Riveri, elbow right back, and Christian Sinclair, a boy, and Timi Ankwatinam. Then that moment he had it again, but it was blocked by Oluwasoni Deme. And that was a very good block at that time. One thing in Nigeria, players here, the defense and the defense midfielder, almost put you on body or line. The defender so resolute, very organized, or disciplined. Now, first half, won't say Michel Alozier, the right back, had a very good opportunity, but on Messier. So first out of a few chances. Now the second half, 49 minutes, unfortunately for Nigeria, Francisca Odega, right winger, tackle, Ababayo friend Christy Sinclair. Now Christy Sinclair is a top veteran in this competition. 324 appearances, 311 starts, and 190 goals, 54 assists. That's incredible. So this is the kind of player Oba against Chiamaka Inwadozie versus this top class, or the most successful striker in women's football anyway. 190 goals. So veteran winner only, but trust me, Chiamaka Eyadiapa. Now it means that why Oma Yejuma on her, because on the leading penalty taker or Yejuma on her, this is a penalty, and she did so well. She did. You watch it. Oma said, Oma why Yejuma on who? Thank you. It was even a double. Look, yeah, why Yejuma? You could see why Yejuma, Chris, and I'm saying that she's the most successful scorer in the age. Many shows about 190 goals like her. To make sure you save a penalty, that's a big deal. And Chiamaka Makanasem 2019, she was a young best goalkeeper, and she's proving it again in this particular competition. That penalty was wonderful to save. And no na Emma Nigeria for bad game no more kakra, but still almost Canada dominated. In the last 10 minutes, Nigeria is not bad game no more. But for offside, you realize Kanu Uche Malfrey bench by had a wonderful strike at goal. That first one was saved by goalkeeper Kelly again. But unfortunately, 97 minutes, Nigeria best player, the midfielder, Deborah Ajibola Abiodun, on red card. Now that is going to affect them big time the second game. So that, but on the whole, we are proud of what Nigeria have done. They've done a great job. They mark mama space to exploit. They closed them down. They were disciplined. All the passing channels, they made sure say Asiano, and they were very tight. And a fiscal kakra. Some who didn't. Some who didn't kakra. Boy.
My goalkeeper no the player of the match.
Yeah, but that's she's the reason why Nigeria had a draw. No? And that's not only save. She made extra 5 saves. Yes, she's been phenomenal. And now me come some 2 days ago about she being one of the reasons why Nigeria might do well, because a 32 nations and a third place team is possible to get to the round of 16. So so let's make sure say the remaining game against Australia and Ireland, no, they'll be able to pick at least a 3 points. When they come over there, they'll be good to go. One of the teams are meant to qualify for round of 16. Now, interesting thing be happen here and it had to do with tennis. Now see that it's this so Budapest, Hungary, and then we had the Budapest WTA Open. Now I don't know. Now it's between Zhang Shua, a Chinese, a very good veteran doubles player, and then of Amarisa of Hungary. Now cross-court shot, cross-court shot. Now Zhang Shua, a boy, a forehand. Now a boy, umpire no edgy to muse out. So watch this. This is Zhang Shua out. Obabe shese no crese out and only empire no enya dream. Now players have the right to question the judgment of the empire. Sometimes they get it right, sometimes they get it wrong. A number of them in a set you have 2. Who excessive you want to make excessive you.
Yeah.
Now in this case, now they see any. No tough Eddie in 9 epi pa babya ball no beto this is what she did.
Yeah.
Now a hono so na say empire no kohwe say ball no at hon mana. Now ade empire no girl no Zang any empire no arguments I say sorry never sure the empire no was lazy because say a basa I saw see fen kohwe baby ball na way. This was the argument with the empire. This empire should never officiate any tennis game again, or you're useless. This you no buy no, you get down. Tournament you only Hawkeye or wait to say Grand Slam more Hawkeye.
Okay.
So you need I saw confirm the question baby a ball no a war fem no. Next say in and then out. Because of that, on your panic attack until decided say osunye on to me bobo no bio.
Wow. Very sad.
And no sure Martin Navratilova 18-time Grand Slam was pathetic and disgusting, because the way and see what tennis wachiti or the 9 people it's terrible, it's unheard of. But Rama I qualify at the expense of the girl that was supposed to get the point for that, and the one the guys are performing chiti. What do you say? But unfortunately, time okay.
But me a quick comment on Samuel Eto'o issue no concerning on Victoria United issue now about Cameroon being the faker foot. Time when a footballer always now crusade against the federation. Also by a president and when club will be yes, I was a club no top flight.
Make there be a more young men and women. Me too. Monty. Men criticize the idea unyeda ananfe muda. Be careful. Idea unyanfe muda only more experience. Only munti asiye ye kan ye din. That is why me I don't criticize married men for cheating. I don't. I leave the judgment to God. Because who named the entire Nepano a trim you don't know. So don't. You don't know the fire is going through. Teacher, baby, don't criticize because one year, obey your crutching. That is as a captain. Or no, or Kasatia Fekaf when ye kwaboniso. As you speak, how can a federation president be an ambassador for a betting company? It's unethical.
But I say, Apostle Young Fancy, China,
it's unethical.
Because me tea, I dream pa.
And I dream, Vice President, no, a dream or allegation about dream against him. Or also 2013, or can dream or cassette dream. You cassette dream. And the area said, no, we are careful about what you speak against. Na dachi, one share ya, a train.
It's all too bobo daya, a saba house.
And Madame for penny be our bamboo bonity. Or buying with Madame for power. Or cassette, maybe or petro crabet me at tono. ACDs. Then this is bread, your mama breast. Yamison pebble, your band, and be ban man deputy minister for energy. Now, Bessie and on Cassad.
Safi, what I say?
Super deputy.
Gender ministry straight.
Obika gender ministry because of himself Okoha
and then ask the pa.
Be happy.
And I say